I want to talk about my new iPad. This right here, new purchase for me. This is a Generation 11 A16 iPad, 10.9 inch. Initial impressions, I'm really impressed with how thin it is. You can see right here, very thin. So this is going to be easy to stow away if you're taking it on trips or anything. USB-C charging, you can see right there. I don't miss the old Lightning ports, not even a little bit. Now let's take a look at what's under the hood. If you're thinking about getting an iPad right now, this might be the best one out there for most people. This is a 10.9-inch Apple iPad. It's got the A16 chip, and it's built for everything work, entertainment, everyday use. You get a bright Liquid Retina display, smooth performance, and all-day battery life, so it can handle pretty much anything you throw at it. Whether you're watching content, taking notes, browsing, multitasking, it's fast, it's responsive, and apps open instantly. Everything just feels smooth. Like I mentioned before, it's got USB-C charging, it's got Wi-Fi 6 for fast connectivity, and it's got an 12 MP cameras for video calls and content. Even supports the Apple Pencil if you want to get one of those. And this is really great for everyday use. It's really great if you're using it for work, streaming, just staying organized. Depending on what you're using it for, this can really accommodate pretty much whatever you're looking to do.